So okay, first we tap our Google Play Store and then click the profile of that Google Play Store and then click payment methods. Okay. Mhm. And then click payment method settings and then so we wait for the error a bit. Okay, loading. And then also you click the remove, okay, as you can see, and then remove again. Yes, and then so it's that's all. Thank you so much for watching.